Okay, there goes the Hondopotamus. There goes the Hondopotamus that we've already all heard about. Now this is Corporal Newkirk, RDawson on the site, and we're just checking out his.
The only ones I've seen either mounted off the ground bolt here or off the back bolt there.
Notice the flip up footrest for his wife to be able to change her foot positions down here. Corporal, could you flip that peg back? Watch this. Now, is that slick or what? Okay. So, and then also check out his. Now I think he's gone into production on these. I don't know about both.
Okay, see that bracket?
About both the armrest and the flip down putbacks, but this is what he's done for armrest, and this is all whatchamacallit, still in R&D in development, but what a great idea.
Outside, because I include a longer bolt.
What a great idea.
That replaces that factory bolt.
Well, I can't tell.
I love the ingenuity that just people come up with and make it work, you know.
I mean, look at the placement. It's just right off the end of the footboard, which is right there. That's the back bolt. Yeah, it comes off that same bolt.
Oh, the
Yes.